Hey there. So here I'm going to be showing you how you can customize your avatar in Koala Classroom. So all you have to do once you have Koala already opened is hit the settings in the bottom right of your screen and you will see a few options. And all you have to do is click the little person icon with the pen and it says customize avatar and it will show up with your options to change up your avatar. You can customize the hair, your eye color, your eyebrows, eyelashes. You got a mustache, skin color. You can change anything from the shirt to the belt to the pants. You can add a backpack, which is really cool, even the tie if you're interested. You have a few options. You can go ahead and make your avatar your own.